Hello, welcome back to another episode of Sparky's Tech Corner. Today we have a Ace Combat 6 Xbox 360 controller, and we're going to be modifying this one and fixing a common issue with it. To anyone who might know, these controllers have a very bad problem with the start buttons falling out of them. And I'll try to get a zoom up of this so you can see what I mean. If you look, the start button, for some reason they pop out. They're soft rubber, I believe, and over a period of time they just fall out. It's a poor design choice for the controller itself, but regardless, it's still something that happens. Now, I've tried to find replacement parts online for them. You can't find nothing on these controllers. You can't find anything as far as like schematics or anything like that. But I think I might have a solution, and I'm going to go ahead and replace it with one of these little hobby switches. It's a normally open, non-latching hobby switch. And I'm just going to tear this apart, replace the start button, and should be a fully working controller again. So, with that, we're going to go ahead and fast forward this, get this apart. So, please enjoy the music while you're watching. Well, that took quicker than I thought it was going to take. But anyways, here we are with the controller torque part. Now, a couple things we're going to have to modify. For one, we're going to have to cut this little slot out of it. Now, to anyone that might be cringing or wondering why in the hell we're doing this, I'll go ahead and show you real quick. If you look right in here, this little tore up spot right here is caused by the D-pad right here. And that moving around destroys this. And if I can Yep, that is for that. So the modification we're going to be doing is we're going to take this circuit board out. We're going to cut this, and this plastic piece right in here. And then we're going to install this. So I'll go ahead and fast forward the video while I'm doing that, and we'll come back to installing the switch in here. got the switch in. Fits in there real nice. It's all out of the way. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together now. Well, that does it for this repair. I am going to test it out, but honestly it should work because this was just a momentary switch, this is a momentary switch, and it really works out real good. I don't foresee this ever falling out, becoming an issue. And as far as this one screw being gone, it's really not that weak without it. It's got 1, 2, 4 other screws holding this whole controller together. Everything still works. So this is pretty much my method of fixing the Ace Combat 6 flight stick and throttle controller. Fixing the start button issue on them. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.